Good morning, class. Sairam to all. How are you all? I hope you all are very good at your places. So, welcome you in our English class. So, today I am going to take your grammar, you can say the composition portion, in which you have a uh, picture composition we have already done prior. So today we are going to discuss the two topics, that is informal letter and diary entry. Okay, so and one more thing was there in the composition, that is character sketch, that we have already done. So let's start the first topic of today's, that is informal letter. Yes, everybody know that we mostly used to write letters to our lovely ones, our principals, or you can say when you will grow up you will write the you may write to the letter to your manager, your editor. Okay, so same way we are going to discuss the informal letter. So there are two types of letter, one of them is informal letter. Okay, so let's see what is informal letter. A letter is a written form of communication that is addressed to a specific person or a specific organization. It is one of the easiest and non-expensive means of communication. The relationship between the writer and the receiver determines the way a letter is written. There are several ways of writing a letter, each having its own style. Letters are of two basic types. Okay? Informal letters. These letters include letters to parents, relatives, friends, etc. As I have already told you that letters are of two types. So first one is formal letter, that we are not going to take for this essay one. We are going to take informal letter, that is written to our parents, our lovely ones, our relatives, our friends. Okay, these letters have an easy and conversational language. While writing formal letters, one should ensure that it is not too extensive. These letters are supposed to be short and to the point. If you are writing these types of letter, it should be short and to the point. Okay, so let's see the format of an informal letter. See, the first one we have the writer's address. It means if you are writing the letter, your address will come first. Okay, like they have given an example. Next, number 2, it will come the date. On which date you are writing, you have to write that date. After that, salutation. In salutation, because you are writing to your loving one, so you will write dear father, dear friend, dear mama, dear mother, dear sister, dear aunt, dear uncle. So next, number 4 steps, we have the body. Body means the contentment part, what the information you are going to tell or ask, that you wants to, or you can say that the information you wants to share to your loving ones, writing the letter for. Now next we have the number 5, we have the subscription. The format is the subscription, in which you will write your loving, yours lovingly, yours affectionately. Okay, so yes, so in last line you will write name or signature. Lastly you have to write the name of yours, and the signature you don't go there. You have to just write down the name of yours. Okay, that who is writing the letter, it means the name of that person. So let's see here. First of all, we have address of the writer, that means I have already told you. Next you will write date. After that you will write greetings, that means salutation, dear mom, dear father. Then the introduction, what is there, and paragraph, I hope you all are very good, your health is good. And next you have the body of the letter, that okay, that I hope everything is fine. I have got, if the letter is related to, you have got first position in essay writing, so you'll write I have got first prize in, my teachers were very happy, I was appreciated by others. So it means that is the body of the letter, means what information you are going to tell them or ask them. Next is the conclusion. We have you have I hope everything is fine. Signature, lots of love to you, to sister, to aunt, to dear Sunny, whatever you are writing. Now next you have best wishes. You can write, or kindly you can use in the signature. Then you have to note down at last. You have to write your name. Okay. So let's see some examples related to informal letters. Some examples and examples are informal letters solved example like letter to the friend for encouraging him to choose a career. Number 2, informal letters solved example like letter to the friend for describing your experience, or you can say for getting first position in the competition. Informal letters solved example letter to parents telling him or them about new city and new job. Okay, you are there and you are writing letter to your parents about informing their new city, new job, or you have become the monitor of the class. So these are the example of informal letter. Next we have note down the letter in your English notebook. You have to note down this letter which I am going to discuss with you children in your English notebook. We have first letter we have here is write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday present he had sent for you. I repeat once again, write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday present he had sent for you. First of all, here you have to write your name, your address. It means you can write Haripur Kala, Motichur, Raiwala, and below you will write Dehradun. Okay, Haripur Kala, Raiwala, Dehradun. This much. After that you have to write the date, like they have written 16. You will write the current date when you are writing the letter. Okay. Now then comes the dear uncle. Dear uncle, thanks a lot for the lovely present you sent me on my birthday. When I opened the parcel containing your present, I was thrilled. The beautiful wrist watch you sent me was urgently needed by me. All of my friends have liked it very much. Its golden chain is really very attractive. As usual, you did not forget my birthday. I am really grateful to you for your care and affection. With almost love and regards to you and auntie, and lot of thanks. So you will write here your affectionately, your, here you have to write your name. If your name is Anita, you have to write Anita. If your name is Anu, you have to write your name Anu. Okay, whatever is your name, like if your name if it is written that you are writing a letter, so you have to write your name only. Okay, yes. So I hope the letter was interesting for you all. You all have enjoyed this letter. So same way you have to note down this letter in your English notebook. Move on to the second topic of composition we have, that is diary entry. What is diary entry? Everybody know that in our daily life we used to write something in our diary. So that is only a part of the composition, that is diary entry, doing entry in your diary. See, the name itself only suggests doing entry. Doing entry. Where? In the diary. Simple. You are writing your special moments in the diary. You are writing your birthday, first birthday in your diary. It means you can write your first teenager birthday. You can write your first anniversary birthday of your mom or dad. You can write your you can maintain a diary entry of like topic like what you have got your golden watch, or you have got a birthday gift as a Barbie doll, a car, a remote, a robot, like that. Okay, so that is the entry, that is diary entry. A diary entry is a very personal kind of writing. It is meant to record certain significant events and feelings of the writer. It means if you are writing, then you are the writer. It includes your feelings and some special events. Format of the diary entry we have is, first of all you have to note down the date, then after that day, which day is there, after that you have to note down the time, after that you have to write the salutation, that is dear diary. After that you have to note down heading of the diary, that what is the heading for this. Next you have to note down the content of the diary, and diary entry means what content, what you are going to write in your diary, what is the topic. Okay, then you have to note down the signature, it means your name. So points to remember is that creativity, imagination and expression in diary entry are tested. You should write as if you have really been a part of the situation. It should not look imaginable, it should be real. Okay, it should be creative and real. It is written in the first person. First person means as if you are writing. One does not write about things. Okay, you have to just write about of your own imagination, your expression, your creativity. Okay, what you have feel about what it means according to the of your own choice. Okay, it should be related to you. I have always wanted to visit London and I am finally here. After Zim and I got ready in our tiny room, we went downstairs for our complimentary breakfast. As you can see, it is all written in the form of I. It means any one person is there who is describing his diary, that what he has done, where he is visited, then what he have done, taken. Yes. So here we have one diary entry for you, that is they have written day, time and month. After that they have written the time below, that is 9 p.m. Okay, it will. So then they have taken the salutation, that is dear diary, I am so happy today. It was a day of achievements and success. Our school hosted the essay writing competition. I was initially hesitant to give my name. My teachers encouraged and motivated me. They told me that I have the ability to write well and convince others. I am glad that I obeyed them. I won the first prize in essay writing competition. There were 10 participants and I was able to bag the prize. I am so excited and overjoyed. I am also thankful to my mommy for all her support. I am thankful to God for all His blessings in my life. Here you have to note down your name. Okay, whatever name you are having, you have to write your name below at the last. Okay, this is the right diary entry. You can see the person itself is describing his incident, what took place on that day. Okay, same way you can see mostly it is written I, because you have to write about yourself only, कि आपके what you have observed, what would happen to you, how you are feeling, what you did you get, like this. In the same way you have to make one diary entry like this. Okay, next question we have, you recently attended a birthday party of your close friend. Write a diary entry in 80 to 100 words. Describe your experience. Okay, so what you have to write down the diary. Okay, so first of all you will write down the day. After that you see, you can write one below other, or you can write here day and here date, one beside other, and below you can write time, that is also okay. Okay, no problem. So they have taken the first day, that is Sunday, then they have taken the date, then they have taken the time. After that he has written, dear diary, today I had a blast at my friend's Anu birthday party. He took the bunch of us to McDonald's. The entire hall had been decorated brilliantly. The burgers, snacks, muffins were divinely scrumptious. I ate many of them. The best part was the dance party. Okay, we danced like mad man, woman till we were tired. At the end, my friend was showered with gifts. I also gifted him a video game. I will also throw my birthday party at the same place. Okay, dear diary, I am tired now. See you tomorrow. Yes, see, this is the diary entry where you can express your feelings. Okay, what you have observed, what you have felt. So this is your own personal views. Okay, which you only can read, write, and what you think you can put in all your emotion, everything in this diary. So that is why the people used to write a diary of. Okay, so we have discussed the two diary entry from yes, now we have the third one. They have taken the day, date and time here. Now they are writing, dear diary, I am so happy and excited. The long awaited summer vacations have commenced. There are so many interesting things I am going to do. Today was the first day of the vacation. I made the entire schedule. The first thing I have decided is I am going to travel to mountains, where I will spend a couple of days with my granny. After returning from there, I am going to join swimming classes. Dad has asked me to book tickets for OT. So the day was spent in planning and making preparation for the above mentioned things. The day just flew by. Bye, Daddy. I will be writing in you less often as I will be busy. But don't worry, I will carry you with me. Okay? Yes. So I hope the diary entry was helpful for you all. So what you all have to do, you all have to write this one diary entry in your notebook, and this one is the most important. This two diary entry you have to note down in your notebook. Okay, so yes, note down in your English notebook, that is one letter and two diary entry you have. You can make your own diary entry of your own choice. You have to note down this in your English notebook. Okay, so Sairam, and take care of yourself, of your parents. Keep learning at home. So Sairam, take care. We will meet in our next class.